dan i mogli bi se prolazati skuterom do plaže.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying. But I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me.
Situacija je sljedeća. Vlado je skuter na servisu. Danas se vozimo sami. Solo.
I'm only human after all, and you're only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Some people got the real problems. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve them. Lord heavens above, I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me.
Što bi rekao Rambo? Kad u retrovizor pogledaj cetinje, pravac mora.
Making you cry, 'cause I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me.
Približavamo se Brajićima i kao uvijek, iako je nekih 36 stepeni, ovdje je najčešće kiša, magla. Ipak ćemo stati na par minuta, par fotografija i nastavljamo putanje.
Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me. I'm only human, I made mistakes. I'm only human, it's all it takes to put the blame on me.
Pravit ćemo par pauza za fotografisanje, uživanje u pogledu. Nadam se da ćete vi uživati.
You should go looking somewhere high. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me. I'm only human, I do what I can. I'm just a man, I do what I can. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put your blame on me.
Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And we're down we go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, we're down we go. Oh, 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 oh. So we're down we go. Oh, oh, oh. Way down we go. Oh, you let your...
I poslije nekih pola sata vožnje ulazimo u Budvu. Na kružnom toku idemo lijevo, prolazimo Bečiće i idemo dalje ka našem odredištu. Napravit ćemo par pauza na Miločaru i Svetom Stefanu.
Yeah, someday we run you down, down till you fall. Oh, oh, and then we run you down, down till you go. Yeah, till you can't grow no more. And where down we go. Oh, 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 where down we go. Oh, oh. Say where down.
nakon nekih 45-6 km i malo više od sat vremena vožnje stižemo do naše destinacije, to je Perazićado. Fantastično mjesto, mirno, bez gužvi, čista voda, raj za uživanje. Ovdje ću odjaviti današnji klip. Mi idemo da uživamo, iskuliramo ovaj slobodan dan. Vi ako vam se svidjelo i želite vidjeti još sličnih avantura, zapratite nas. Ćao.